Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Prinsu, specifically Prinsu handles. So you guys already know, if you're already following this channel, that I have Prinsu Rack, and they also make Prinsu handles, which is a game changer. Let me show you. For any time I would want to get on top of my car just to see something, I would grab onto this right here, just on top. It's not meant to be grabbed, so it doesn't have a nice feeling on your hands and your fingers because it's kind of rigid and it's metal, so it feels weird. You're pulling yourself up and your fingers just doesn't feel nice. Well, Prinsu solved that problem. They make Prinsu handles. These things right here. You're usually supposed to hold it from the top down, but I got this big case that covers up the top, so you can still pull it up from the bottom. It feels a lot nicer than holding this. I promise you, this handle feels a lot nicer. And it feels even better when you hold it from the top because it kind of has a curve to it that makes it feel just perfect in the hands. They're super easy to install. They only need 4 bolts right here on each side, 2 on each side, and it basically bolts into the crossbar. So these 2 right here goes into this 2 crossbars, and then these 2 right here goes into these 2 crossbars. Makes things a lot easier when all you do is just bolt it into the crossbar. Stop touching the handles. It makes things a lot easier when you're bolting into the crossbar because the crossbar is really strong and this is not going to fall down, especially if you're trying to pull your body weight up. It's not going to come loose. You can feel that it's super tight in there, and it's made out of the same material that they make the roof rack. One of my favorite things on this Prinsu roof rack, the addition that I add to it. I have 4 of these, okay? And it has the plate right here that shows that it's Prinsu. I have 4 of them. But I took off the other 2. Let me show you why in a second, but I only have these 2. They do take up a slot, 2 slots actually. So if you guys planning to mount other stuff on the side, you're gonna have a hard problem doing that. So I would recommend getting it where you would want it to get up the most. For example, the back tire. I always have it right here, so then I can just pull myself up just like that. Then I can see everything from up here. So this thing right here is for pulling yourself up. See how strong it is? So I use my back wheel as a step to pull myself up. If you put it one right in the middle, then you might have a problem because it's hard to pull yourself up from the middle because there's nothing else to step on. You literally would have to open up the door and step on that. Because the front tire does not have a roof rack there, then the only spot left would be the back tire. So the back tire is the best spot. Now let me show you why I don't have it on the other side. If you guys have not watched my last video, make sure you check that out because I installed a Roam awning. This awning right here takes up the entire space. And yeah, I could take off the awning, but taking it on and off is not a fun thing to do. I need a quick release plate. That's what I need. Then I can remove it really quick. But for now, I have to deal with this. And I already installed it and I'm not gonna take it down without getting the quick release plate. That being said, that's why I don't have the handles on this side. Either way, you guys, the handles are so dope and I think it's a great purchase. If you guys are interested, I have some links in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Other than that, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. We're gonna be talking a lot more about Subaru Crosstrek, and my name is Andy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.